Welcome to our virtual law legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the purpose, salient features, advantages, issues and implementations of Republic Act number 11,479. Let's dive right into it. Republic Act number 11,479, also known as the Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020, is a law that was enacted by the Philippine Congress on July 3, 2020. It repealed Republic Act number 9372, or the Human Security Act of 2007. The purpose of RA 11,479 is to protect life, liberty, and property from terrorism. It also aims to condemn terrorism as inimical and dangerous to the national security of the country and to the welfare of the people. Additionally, RA 11,479 makes terrorism a crime against the Filipino people, against humanity, and against the law of nations. Some of the salient features of RA 11,479 include: it defines terrorism as any act intended to cause death or serious injury to a person, or to cause damage to property, a place of public use, a public transportation system, or an infrastructure facility, with the intent to intimidate the public or a segment thereof, create an atmosphere of fear, or seriously destabilize or destroy the fundamental political, economic, or social structures of the country. It gives the government broad powers to investigate and prosecute suspected terrorists. These powers include the power to conduct warrantless searches, to detain suspects for up to 24 days without charge, and to freeze the assets of suspected terrorists. It creates a new body called the Anti-Terrorism Council, which is responsible for formulating and implementing the government's anti-terrorism policies. The advantages of RA 11,479 include: it provides the government with the necessary tools to effectively combat terrorism. It sends a strong message to terrorists that their activities will not be tolerated. It helps to protect the people of the Philippines from the threat of terrorism. However, there are also some issues with RA 11,479, such as: some people believe that it gives the government too much power and could be used to violate the rights of individuals. It is not clear how the law will be implemented, and there is a risk that it could be abused. The law has been criticized by human rights groups, who argue that it could be used to target political opponents. The implementation of RA 11,479 has been slow, and there have been some challenges in enforcing the law. However, the government has said that it is committed to fighting terrorism and that RA 11,479 is an important tool in this fight. Overall, RA 11,479 is a controversial law that has both advantages and disadvantages. It is important to carefully monitor the implementation of the law to ensure that it is used in a way that protects the rights of individuals and effectively combats terrorism. That's all for this episode. What do you think about the topic? Feel free to comment and suggest what topic you want us to discuss on the next video. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.